To remove a QuickFit band from a Garmin watch, you need to pull the trigger with the tip of your finger. Then, while holding the trigger, remove the band on a rotary movement. To install the new band, you have to pull the trigger again, but this time you really have to do it with your fingertip to make sure you do not obstruct the entrance of the band. And that's it. And for the other part, it's exactly the same principle. If you want to shop for a new band for your watch, visit my link in the description. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!